What's up, Glamazons? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be one that one of my friends requested. What's up, Marcy? If you're watching, better be watching this because you're the one that asked for it. Just kidding, but not really. Alright, but I'm going to be doing a contouring video. So I mean I contour in a sense, but because I'm so pale, if I were to like truly contour, it could go bad very quickly. But I'm gonna do the lightest contour I can since I'm so fair, and I'm gonna be using some cream products, some powder products, just to show you that there's a variety of things you can use to contour. So I found this chart on Pinterest, and I'll put it up on the screen, and it tells you where you should contour based on the shape of your face. So mine is oval. So I don't know if I should do mine or if I should just do like go crazy. Okay, I might just go crazy. Okay. So if you're interested in watching this, that would be awesome because there's probably 5 million other contouring videos. But yeah, let's get started. So I'm trying to decide what to start with. Either this Iconic London multi-use sculpting palette, which is a cream like contour and concealer and highlight, rude, or I am so obsessed with this right now. This is the Anastasia cream bronzer, and this is in Sunkissed. So this is what I've been using, but as you can see, that's more of like a bronzer. It's not a contour. So I guess I should go in with the contour since this is a contouring video, huh? Okay. So one thing that I like to do is lay some powder down where I don't want the contour to go. If you haven't like already put powder on like I have, you could always use one of these lighter shades instead of using a powder like I'm going to. You could use that as a highlight. Okay, FX translucent powder. Like, what? Look how small that is. How am I even supposed to get that? So I'm gonna put that like right here. It's not showing up very well because this container is so small. That's as good as it's gonna get for right now. So you're gonna want to use a dense brush. Now there are like stick contouring sticks out there. I wouldn't recommend it going in with just a stick, but that's just my preference. I prefer like a more natural look, so I always want to use a brush and then get the product on it and then put it on my face. So like I said, you're going to want a firm brush. I've been using this, it's a Laritzy brush. It says it's a flat powder brush, but it's very dense. And then I just got this Morphe M449. It's a dense little buffer contouring. It was a contouring brush, it was called. So I'm gonna go in with the lightest shade here, and I'm going to put some of that on this buffer contouring brush. And I'm gonna start kind of in the middle and work my way back. Just like the high point of your cheek, and then I start to blend it down a little bit. thing I remember from back in the day, it was like the quick thing was to do a 3, like that. And I used to bronze and like contour my jaw. I don't anymore, but I will for the purposes of this video. So, oh, that was way too much. Whoopsies. And I'll show you how you can fix this. But let me just get the bronzer or the contour done first. So here is the cream contour. So now I'm gonna go in with, this is my Too Faced Cocoa Contour Palette. And what do I want to use? Oh, well, I guess I'll use the one that says light contour. It just, I don't know. Okay, but here we go. This is a Perfect 10 brush. I don't know, looks like a bronzer brush to me. And again, I start in the middle and just kind of swirl back. And I think I've only contoured my nose a couple times, but we're gonna do it today. I'm gonna take medium contour. I'm gonna go crazy. And this is a Sephora Pro Smoky Liner brush. And you just wanna go in a straight line, which I'm not good at. Down the middle of your nostril. Oh no, higher than that. So these are all just options. Put some in the middle. Okay, I'm definitely winning that up with a sponge. And I'm gonna go in with light highlight and put that under my eyes to highlight. It just really opens up your eyes. Put some on my chin. Okay, now like you can also contour your neck, like your collarbone, but I don't know how to contour your collarbone, and I don't want to start trying today. Right, so now I'm gonna highlight. I'm gonna take this Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Multi-Glow Highlighter in Romance Light. Put that in the high part of my cheek. I'm gonna highlight your cupid's bow to make your lips appear fuller. And you can also, here's another trick, you can also take some contour or bronzer and put it underneath your lip. and that will also make them look fuller. Okay, so now it is blush time. Okay, so I just wanted to do like a kind of neutral muted blush. So this is the Patrick Ta monochrome moment in She's Passionate. Okay, so this is how we're gonna fix any darkness or unevenness. You're gonna take some sort of radiant powder. This is the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Powder in Ethereal Light. And you're going to take a super fluffy brush, and then you're just going to go all over. And that will get rid of any harsh lines. It kind of blends everything together, and it gives your face like a nice glow. Then we set it with some setting spray. And we are done. That is my attempt at a contour tutorial. So I just made, you guys want to see the makeup brush cleaner I just made? It's so cute. Look at this. This scent is Grapefruit Glow, and this, look how pretty that is Pink Mimosa. I am trying to get approved for a subscription box on Cratejoy. I was denied once. Like, yes, I didn't fill everything out, but I'm hoping I get approved. So I'm always looking for like new molds to make soap with, and I was on Etsy, and when I was searching for molds, I saw these molds. So then I searched something soap, and I found these. And I was like, oh, that would be a cute like bachelorette gift or something. So I'm like, I want to get one of those molds. So the choices were small, medium, or large. And I chose medium. This is what came. I tried to make soap, but I was actually running out, and I only had foaming bath butter left. So I'm like, I'll put some of that in there. Like, it won't be that big of a deal. It was. So it was super soft. Wasn't hard like soap should be. And it was basically just a waste of soap. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you next time.